Hello children, welcome back. I'm doing mensuration SSC important questions. I have completed 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks, and now I'm doing objectives. The first one is side of a cube, and diameter of a sphere, and diameter of a sphere are equal. Then the ratio of their volume will be dash. So you have a cube. This is a cube which is having side as A units, and there is a sphere. The sphere diameter, the cube side of a cube and diameter of a sphere is same, equal. So this is also A unit. So diameter is A. That means radius is A by 2. Then ratio of their volumes. Volume of cube is equal to a cube. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this can be written as 4 by 3 pi. What is r? A by 2 whole cube. That means 4 by 3 pi a cube by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So you are getting pi a cube by 6. So volume of cube by volume of sphere is equal to volume of cube is a cube by sphere pi a cube by 6. That means you can even write it as that is equal to a cube into 6 by pi a cube. So a cube and a cube will get cancelled. 6 by pi you will be getting answer is 6 is to pi. This is the answer for this problem, children. It's an objective, but without doing any work you cannot get the answer directly. So how it has to be done I have explained. Please go through it. Now let us see the second one. A metallic sphere of radius r is melted and recast into the shape of solid cylinder. The shape of solid cylinder of radius r. Of radius r. The height of the cylinder is. The height of the cylinder is dash. So there is a metallic sphere and it is having radius r units. It is melted and converted into another cylinder. Cylinder is also having radius r. So find the height of the cylinder. That means volume of sphere will be equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h. Okay. Now what is that they are asking? This pi and pi you can cancel. H is equal to 4 by 3 r cube by r square. This means what? 4 by 3 r cube into 1 by r cube. Ah, this is r square, not r cube. R square. So here 1 r will be left. 4 by 3 r. H is equal to 4 by 3 r. This is the answer. So 4 by 3 r is the answer for second one. Third problem. A cylinder and cone. A cylinder and cone have equal radii. Have equal radii. 4 by 3. I need a space here, children. So I'll write it here. 4 by 3 r. So this is a cylinder and cone have equal radii and equal heights. If the volume of the cylinder is, if the volume of the cylinder is 27 cubic units, then the volume of the cone is dash. A cylinder and a cone. This is a cylinder and this is a cone. They have equal radii. This is r, this is r, and equal heights. This is h, this is h. Both of them are same, equal radii and equal heights. And they have given volume of cylinder is equal to 27 units, cubic units. Volume of cylinder means pi r square h is equal to 27. Now you want volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. That is 1 by 3 into pi r square h is 27. So take 27. 3 ones are 3 nines are 9 cubic units. So the answer is 9 cubic units. This is third problem. Now fourth problem. Area of the shaded region. Shaded region is, you have got a figure like this, and in this you have got a This is shaded region, and this is 2R, and here this is R, and this is R. You have to find out area of shaded region. So in this should be considered as a rectangle. These two should be considered as circle, semicircles. So area of shaded region is equal to this area of it is 2R. Actually this should be considered as square only, 2R. This is also 2R, so this will be square, that is 2R whole square minus these two are semicircles, means if you join them you will be getting a circle. Circle formula is pi r square. That means 4r square minus pi r square. So take r square as common, 4 minus pi. So the answer here is r square into 4 minus pi. This is fourth problem, children. Please copy. The volume of a cone, fifth one, the volume of a cone with base radius with base radius 7 centimeters is 462 cubic centimeters. Its height is dash. There is a cone with radius 7 centimeters and volume they have given 462 cubic centimeters. So height, so we know that what is height? H is how much we have to find out. So volume formula, volume is equal to how much? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 462. That is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 7. 7 into 7 into h is equal to 462. So what is h? 462 into 3 by 1 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. These two 7s will get cancelled. See, 11 2s are 11 4s are 11 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Then 7 1s are 7 3s are. So how much height? H is equal to 3 into 3. These 3's if you multiply, 9 centimeters. So answer is 9 centimeters. This is fifth problem. Now this is sixth problem, children. 5 problems earlier I have done. This is sixth one and this is seventh problem. The base area of a prism, base area of a prism is 30 square centimeters, and its height and its height is 10 centimeters. Then the volume of the prism, volume of the prism is, so actually volume of a prism formula is base area into height. So base area is 30 into height is 10, 300 cubic centimeters is the answer. Now, eighth one. If the total surface area of a cube, if the total surface area of a cube is 96 square centimeters, 96 square centimeters, then the side of the cube, then the side of the cube is dash. Total surface area of a cube, TSA of cube formula is 6A square. Now what they have given, 6A square is equal to 96. So what is A square? 96 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. So what is A? Root 16, that is equal to 4 centimeters. This is the answer. So side of the cube is 4 centimeters. Next, ninth one. Volume of two spheres are, volume of two spheres are in the ratio of, in the ratio of 8:27. The ratio of their, the ratio of their surface areas, surface areas is dash. What is the ratio of the surface areas? Volume of the two spheres, that means volume of sphere 1 by volume of sphere 2. Volume of sphere 1, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, because spheres are different, so their radii also is different. So one I have taken r1, one I have taken r2. These two will get cancelled. So what am I getting? r1 cube by r2 cube is equal to 8 by 27. That means what I can write? r1 cube by r2 cube is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube, or I can even write it as 2 cube by 3 cube. 8 is a 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube. So you are getting r1 by r2 as 2 by 3. Now you want surface area. Surface area of sphere 1 by surface area of sphere 2. Formula is 4 pi r square, r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. These two will get cancelled, that is 2 square by 3 square, 4 by 9. 4 by 9 means how much? 4 is to 9. This is the answer. 4 is to 9. So please copy this, children. Ninth problem. Now 10th problem. A solid ball is exactly fitted inside the cubical box, of side A units. Outside A units. The volume of the ball is So there is a cubical box. This is a cubical box. Inside it, a ball is totally fixed. So this is a ball. That means what? Whatever is the side of the cube, the diameter of the ball also is same. So when diameter of the ball is A, radius is A by 2. Now volume of the ball. That means volume of ball is nothing but volume of sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Means how much you are getting? 4 by 3 pi r is a by 2 whole cube. Means 4 by 3 pi a cube by 8. 2 cube means 8. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. That is pi by 6 a cube. This many cubic units. A units they said na, cubic units is the answer. So pi by 6 a cube units is the answer. Now 11th one. 11th one is let R H L. Let R H and L are the radius, height and slant height of a cone. Radius, height and slant height of a cone respectively. Then express L Then express L in terms of R and H. So let us take a cone. This is radius, this is height, this is L, slant height. Now L should be expressed in terms of H and R, means it is a right angle triangle. So you will be taking L square is equal to H square plus R square basing on Pythagorean theorem. So what is L? Root of H square plus R square. This is the answer for this problem, children. Now let us say 12th one. Lateral surface area of lateral surface area of a right circular cone, a right circular cone is equal to pi r l, where L is, what is L, children? Slant height. Only you need to write what is L. L is slant height. Now 13th one. For a right circular cone, for a right circular cone with radius r, with radius r, height h, radius is equal to r, height is equal to h, and its slant height, and its slant height is equal to L, then which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? So be careful, children. Not. A is given always, always L is greater than H, and B is given always L is greater than R, and C is given always R is greater than pi, and D is given L square is equal to R square plus H square. So in this, which is not correct, you have to take. L is greater than H. See, figure is here only. Definitely L is greater than H. It is correct. Always L is greater than R. Of course, L is greater than, because this is hypotenuse. Definitely it is greater than H and R. Always R is greater than pi. Pi is what, children? Pi is 22 by 7. So this one is a wrong statement. L square is equal to R square plus S square also is correct. So what is its answer? Answer is C. The wrong answer is R is greater than pi. So this is, copy this, children. Next one I will be doing. 13th I have completed. So 14th one I must do. I will do. Now 14th one. If the ratio of surface areas, if the ratio of surface areas of of two spheres is 4:9, then their volumes is dash. What is the ratio? So surface area of sphere 1 by surface area of sphere 2. What is the formula? Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. So these two will get cancelled. R1 square by R2 square is equal to 4 by 9. So what we can say? Therefore, R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by 3. Now, volume of sphere 1 by volume of sphere 2. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube by 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. 4 by 3 pi and pi will get cancelled. R1 cube by R2 cube. R1 is 2 cube by 3 cube. How much? 8 by 9. Means 8:9 is the answer. Okay, this is 14th one. Now let us see 15th one. Oh, 3 cube now. So children, 3 cube means it is 27. 8:27. Now the next one. The base diameter and height. The base diameter and height of a right circular cone. Of a right circular cone is of a right circular cone are 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Then slant height is dash. There is a right circular cone. Radius is they have given diameter. Diameter is 12 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. Diameter is 12 centimeters. So radius is 6 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. So we know that the base and height. Here we need to find out what is slant height. Slant height how much? So we know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is L? Root of R square plus H square. So what is R square? Root of 6 square plus H is 8 square. Root of 36 plus 64. That is equal to root of 6, 4, 10, 100. 10 centimeters. Therefore, slant height L is equal to 10 centimeters is the answer. Please copy it, children. So with this, mensuration topic is completed. Next topic I will be doing in the next video.